Hi, I'm Raj and welcome to the first tutorial on Sawyer. In this video I'm going to introduce you to Sawyer and also give you a brief overview of what will be covered in the rest of the tutorials. These videos have been created to get students and people interested getting started with the robot and program it. So what exactly is Sawyer Robot Arm? So the Sawyer Arm is a collaborative robot, and by that it means that the humans can work alongside them. It's not like the normal industrial arms where cages need to be made around them so that whenever humans enter, the robot needs to stop. In this case you don't need any cage. And you can also see by the design of the robot itself, you can see that there are very little pinch points, so that even if a human's arm goes in, the robot doesn't actually harm the human's hand. The arm itself is a 7 DOF arm. By that it means it has 7 joints, and it starts with J0 right here. Then goes to J1, J2, J3, J4, which is the silver line here. Then J5, which is this, and then we have J6, this right here. It's got 2 cameras. One is the head camera. So one is the head camera right here, and the hand camera, which is right here. There's also a display. It's also got 2 navigator panels, one right here, it's possible to see. So one navigator, and the one other is behind right here. There are 2 different ways of programming this robot. One is through Intera, and the other is Sawyer SDK, which it currently is in right now, and you can see it from the display right here. The button I press right here is called 0G, where the robot, when the button is pressed, the robot tries to act against gravity, making it easy for me to move the robot around. There are also 2 other places where you can use 0G. One is right here, the navigator pane. The other one is right behind, and if I press that, let's see, you can see that it's acting against gravity and trying to go up. So there are 2 ways of programming this robot, and I think I've explained that. The navigator planes are used to program it in Intera. The Sawyer SDK is programmed using a laptop which runs Python and ROS. The Intera interface can also run through a computer, and these would be covered in a later video. And I think that covers everything you need to know about the robot. I forgot to mention there's also an emergency button right here, and the controller is right below. That would also be covered in a later video. Having finished the brief introduction to this robot, let me give you an overview of what we will be doing in the next tutorial and the following tutorials. So the rest of the tutorials would be on Sawyer SDK mostly, and some might even cover Intera. The next video, however, would be talking to you about the controller, how to switch it on, how to connect the robot together, and all the components, extra components needed to actually run the robot. And that's it. Thank you.